Welcome to my complete Android and iOS application development using Flutter 3.0. In this course, you are going to learn everything about Flutter and its package extension. And not just that, we are also going to look into backend side of our application. That is, creating API for our blog system, our comment API, order API, product API, search API, and even user API. And not just writing this only, we are also going to be creating a custom HTML for our API URL. After this, we are also going to learn how to link everything down to Flutter application. That is, connecting the blog UI interface directly to the API. We are going to learn every aspect of this widget, everything we use to create this header image, the card list, everything that we have here is going to be learned from scratch. That is, the on-click event, also making comments to a post, logging in. For example, I can decide to log into this current application before this comment is going to be accepted. So I'm going to use test user that I just created to log in here, testuser.com, and the password is 12345. So I'll click on sign in. As you can see, I'm logged in. So once I'm logged in, I can add comments. At the moment, this post does not have any comments attached to it. If I go to the admin section, you're also going to notice that. If I click on comments now and I click on this comment section is going to allow me to comment now because I'm logged in. So I'm going to write, I love this post. So if I submit this comment now, this comment is added, but it's waiting for admin approval. So I'll go to the admin section, go to my local host on the admin section, go to the dashboard, then go to the comment section. Don't forget, this project is built for beginner, so this UI might not really be fancy, but the functionality is amazing. Now as you can see, this is the comment I dropped just now. I love this post. So it's not active yet, so what I will do is I will approve this comment now. And if I check the live post, you are still going to find the comment on the live post and also on the mobile application. So let me click on approve, but now it has been approved. So if you go back again to the app location, as you can see, we have Mbozi as the post. So I will click on read now, and over here we have the comment. And if I check the mobile app, as you can see, it is 0. So if I just leave this app and come back, it's going to be visible. Now watch, if I click go back and enter, we have the one comment. Awesome. So also the same applies to the Android section. If I click inside this place now, the comment that is added into this place is going to automatically sync to this place also in a real time once the data is applied to the server end. So there is a lot for you to learn in this course. So after we are done with the blog section, we are going to move down to the e-commerce area. Under this e-commerce, as you can see, we have a slider section on our page. So this slider section, you are going to learn how to do it from scratch. How this is being done, we are going to learn it. The same applies to these cards here. These cards we have here, you are going to learn how to build this card from scratch. Now as you can see, we have an amazing landing page for each of our products. I can decide to add this product to carts, which is a single quantity, and you are going to learn how all this thing is being possible. Increasing the quantity, going to carts. Let me add another product to carts. Let me add a very simple product. Okay, so I'm going to add a single quantity of this product to my cart, and if I go to carts, you are going to find this product in carts. The same applies to the Android section. If I add this product to cart, this amazing bread, I'm going to add it to cart. Now that has been added to cart, let me also add this amazing smart mem polo to my cart. So this has been added to my cart on the Android section. So if I go to the cart section, you are going to find the 2-page open up. For the iOS, we have this amazing page, and for the Android, we have this amazing page. So all this page that is designed, you are going to learn it from scratch. Also, for every product you added to this place, do you know you can actually delete it? The functionality to take it out, you're also going to learn how to do it. So I can decide to increment this quantity. The same applies to the Android section, and I can decide to just take out this product. Okay, I don't want to buy that anymore, so I just take out this product. This product is removed. So we are going to be checking out now on our iOS. I'm going to click on checkout, use Flutter Wave on the iOS, and for the Android, I'm going to click on checkout and use space tag. So while this space tag loads up, I'm going to go to my Google to look for paystack test key. So paystack test card, then go to the page and select this very first one. No validation is required. So over here, and I'm going to enter this card details 408 408, okay, 408 408 4081. This is a test card, not a live card. So 1023, so 1023, and the CVV is 40408. So I'm going to click on pay now. Once I click on pay, it's going to process the transaction, and once this transaction is successful, it's going to redirect me to the other page. Awesome. So let's now go back again to the iOS version and use the test card for Flutter Wave payment gateway. So I'm going to look for Flutter Wave test card. So Flutter Wave test card. Awesome. So let's go to Flutter Wave test card section. Click on the testing area. Scroll down to where you have the test card section. Over here I have 5530. So I'm going to open the iOS application once again, then click on the card section. Over here I'm going to pass in the 5531, then 886652, okay, so 14, then 2950. So the same for the month and the year. We are gonna pass the 0932, and for the CVV we are going to be passing the 564. Awesome. So I'm going to click on pay 7,500 now, and this payment is going to initialize. It's going to ask me for some token, so I'm going to use this 12345 for the OTP. So let's use that 12345 for that, and then I'm going to click on submit now. So it is now verifying the payments that I just made now. So once the payment is verified, as you can see, it's verified. It's going to redirect me to the other page. As you can see, this is amazing. This is awesome. So this is the previous order that I made. As you can see, we have we have 4950. As you can see, this is it here. So everything that we have here, you are going to learn how to build it from scratch. I mean, from the ground level. So everything that we have here, including the order detail page where you have your product listed for you, you are going to learn how to do it. Okay guys, this is an amazing course that is going to change your life. I mean, your life forever. Get a good job and do it better in the tech industry. Get the course now and join me to achieve this greatness together. Okay guys, thank you once again.